What's up, guys? So we just ran to see the sunset. What a beautiful sunset. Yes, we are tired. I'm with Kaitam, my boy.
Yes.
Bought some chips and some fruits. Look at this. Come on. Alright. Some chips, you know.
I get my weed from California.
That's what life's about. Chilling.
Live, man.
Ninja shit. Woo! Look at this guy. I don't know if I'm filming you right, but you're crazy, man.
Oh!
It's only the two
You're
of
vibing.
us. Everything all I need. Every time.
Hey guys, so we made it to the forest. It looks like the forest in India. There are very big trees. So yeah, we're gonna hike today. We're gonna walk full of nature. That's the view. Hey guys, so now asked a few Tibetans to have an interview with someone from Spain in Tibetan to talk about what we do and what we study in Belgium or in Europe. So it was very interesting. I had really difficulty speaking Tibetan, but it was all right. We did our best. Yeah, it was very interesting. We had to wear our traditional shirt, Tibetan shirt. That's great. Hey guys, so today I went to my friend Gaito to help him paint his apartment. So I did that. Then we made a plan to eat barbecue at Changchup's place. But right now we are going back to Knokke to pick up Lindu. I'm going with Nawang Tendar.
One and only.
One and only. So yeah, that's what we are doing. We'll pick him up, then go back to Changchup's place and eat barbecue with some friends. It's gonna be nice. Look at this guy. He's crazy. Still eating. I'm done. I ate too much. What's up, guys? So it's a new month and a new week. It's the second week of April, and so it's a week after I took a break for a week, and the first day of the second week went really well. I hit every goal that I set for today, except for one, working out. That didn't happen, but Overall, 9 out of 10. That's great. The workout, I will do it tomorrow. It was a great workout. I'm tired. So let's see if I can keep it up 3 times a week. Good morning, guys. So it's Wednesday, and I'm currently reading on my iPad in the Imit Revisited, and there is like what I've learned so far is like there are three different types of person in us. There's the entrepreneur, the technician, and the manager. So in this book, he talks about, at least for the first chapter, he talks about the three differences. The entrepreneur is like the dreamer. He's a visionary. He always thinking about new ideas, and the manager is the organizer. He builds systems, and the technician is the doer, right? He does the handiwork. He does all the work, and he's not that he doesn't like new ideas, right? He like do things and not only think about new ideas. So he talks about all the relationship between those three, and that's very interesting. I think that's really true that there are like three types of personalities in ourselves. So it's Wednesday. Today for lunch, I'm gonna eat some Chinese noodles, spicy. That's how it looks. Let's dig in.